Good morning, Philippines!
Yeah, I wasn't doing exercise, so and then Tuesday I wasn't because that was yesterday I'm with Tommy. So now today is 10. Hi, baby. You cannot go up, huh? You cannot go up here. Oh, poor baby, poor. Okay, let's go right here. Hi, Damps. Ang dilim-dilim, Damps. Ang dilim. Hala. Again? Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is... Anong oras ngayon? Ano ngayon? Today is November 10, I think. And it's Thursday. Thursday ba? Tignan nga natin. Yeah, January 10. Yeah, Thursday. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Good morning po sa inyo, guys. Ito yung, look, maligayang Pasko sa inyong halat. Maligayang Pasko, ito yun siya. Ilagay natin dito. Tapos na pala, guys. Now, it's time to do this Christmas tree because itong Christmas tree na ito is very pain in the neck to oh, meron pa palang light, guys. Kunin natin tong light kasi ay lambud-lambud na light. May lambud-lambud akong light dito. Saan kaya nag-start? Nosy coot. Nilagay ko tong mga boxes, mga Christmas tree na ayaw ko nang ilagay sa box. Inano ko na lang siya sa bag. So, yun siya. Napagod ako sa meron pa nga, hindi pa ako tapos. Kunin ko tong Christmas lights dito sa taas. Doon sa baba din, meron pa. And, so yun. Meron pang mga Christmas lights. Tapos na akong nag-lunch. And, nakalimutan kong may appointment pala ngayon si Tami. So, look guys, somebody visited me here. Somebody want to be with mama. Look at this. Ito yung gusto niya guys, yung mag-cuddle up. Yan. Look, tignan nyo. Yan siya. Oh, what a good boy. He's such a good boy. magluto tayo ng adobo for chicken adobo. So I boiled, those are chicken wings. So that's boiled already. Hindi ko siya binuboil ng matagal. Hala, parang ang init na. And then ilagay natin si gualic. Go. Ayan. Soy. 1 bay leaves lang guys kasi konti lang naman yung maliit lang siya ba. Maliit yan. Ayan. Ito yung gusto ko. Malaki. Marami nito. I'm going to put lemon. Yung lime na meron ako. Yan. Para siyang leg ng how do you call this? Frog. Cover. Oh, ang bango guys. Ang bango-bango. Parang wala nang sabaw eh. Ang sarap tignan eh. Pakita ko nga sa inyo eh. Yan. Sinong hindi masarapan yan guys? Na ang sobrang sarap man yan. Naku Lord. Ang daming garlic. As in talagang buhay na to. Ang sarap. 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Okay.
Straw with all your new colors. And you drew this big spaceship. But it wasn't from a movie. It was your spaceship. A rainbow ship. That's what you called it. Everything in the box. I took that with me. I told everyone. My son drew this. We stayed up all night building castle fires. Just the way you drew it. And it took so long because you were so bad at hammering. You missed the nail every time. And then it started raining. But we stayed out there anyway.
Oh, come to mama. You're so cute. I'm watching Stranger Things. Hey guys, nanonood ako guys. Dito ako sa floor. Naano ako sa show na ito guys. Para akong na hikot na hikot. Parang sobrang ganda. Strangers Things. Oh my god, ang ganda. Pero guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's 11:30 na at night. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm sorry guys kasi natutulog na yung dalawa dito. But anyway, I will see you guys. So, nabisi ako. Nag-edit din ako ng video while watching. And then I stopped to concentrate. And then, edit again. And so, now it's ready to make a thumbnail. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Please do not forget to subscribe into this channel.